friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing complete course on Welcome software is continue, and in this video you will learn that how we can use run, triple run, backstitch and stem stitch tools. All these tools are running tools. These all tools are called running tool. In the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete learning and for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete learning course. So now let's start. Open a new project by pressing Ctrl N. So this is all these tools are running tools. This is single run, this is triple run, this is backstitch and this is stem stitch. So how we can use these tools to use running, to make a running like single run? Click on the single run button and click left, then for a straight line press Ctrl button and hold them, and now click left again. Now press enter. So zoom a separate object, so you can see that its effect is like this. This is a simple run. We can change its color like this, like this. Okay, so this is the effect of single run. Okay, we can also make them in any other type of selection like this. All these things we have already learned. So in this way we can make we can use single run. Its usage is like input C, but the effect is very changed. And now this is triple run. We can, this effect is like this. Okay, and this is the backstitch. The backstitch effect is like this. This is the backstitch effect, and there are some other options. For example, you can change the strokes. Okay, it's the five type of stroke effect. You can change them in 3 also, and there are some other options. You can check them also, because we have learned very deeply in the previous videos, so it's not difficult to now edit any type of object for you. You can also change these properties and can learn that what is the effect of these properties. So this is the effect of backstitch. Now we will use stem stitch. Click on stem stitch and make a line, press center. This is the effect of stem stitch, and these are the properties of the stem stitch. You can check them. We have already worked on these type of effects so many times in the previous videos, so now you are able to change these properties yourself. So these are all the effects of single run, triple run, backstitch and stem stitch. Now we I want to tell you that uh, the main purpose of these tools are that we oftenly use by making the outlines of the objects. For example, this is object, so we will make the outline by using these running tools like single run, triple run, backstitch and stem stitch. For example, if we have to make a outline of this object, so for example I will make the outline of this object by using single run. So I will turn off the true view and turn off the show stitches and turn off the show needle points, because I want to make the outline accurately. So I will make the this running on the outlines, so it will be made accurately. And also of uh, the drawing is showing So the drawing outlines are also showing, so I will turn off the vectors. So now only the outline of the object is showing. I will make some zoom. Now click on the single run or triple run or backstitch or stem stitch, anyone which you want to use. Left click, our left click will be left. Our first click will be left. Now for uh, rounded line or rounded selection, we will use right click, right, 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 and this there is a curve point, so we will press here left click. Now again right, right, right. So it's a last point, so our last point must be left, so I will press here left click. Now press enter. Now turn on true view and turn on show stitches. So you can see that we have make a uh, running on on the outlines of this object. So I will change its color so you can see easily. Now press 0 button and show all the design. So in this way we can use running tools. It's oftenly These running tools oftenly used to make the outlines of the subjects of design, or these tools, especially the single run tool, especially oftenly this tool used in traveling. When we make the traveling of the design, traveling means remove trims and jumps. So in traveling we oftenly use this tool, I mean running tool. Now we will make the outline of this tool also. So make some zoom of the object, and to make uh, accurately selection, I will turn off true view and show stitches and needle points, and I will turn on only the show outlines. Now I will make the outline with backstitch. So its usage is also like the single run. First click, left click. Now rounded selection. For rounded selection, right click. So it's a corner, so there will be left click. Now for rounded selection, right click, right, 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 and now left. So this is a straight line, so I will press left click. This is also a straight line, so I will press here also left click. Now rounded selection and rounded line, so I will press right, 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 and there is a corner point, so I will press here left click. Now rounded selection again, so right, 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 and this is our last point, so here we must have to press left click. Now press enter. Now turn on preview and show stitches, so you can see that I will change its color. Okay, so you can see that we have made a outline by using backstitch button or backstitch tool. So in this way you can use a single run or triple run or backstitch or stem stitch. The method of usage is same, but the effects are different. Now here I want to tell you one more thing, that you have learned about single run and triple run. You have learned about single run and triple run. This is single run and this is triple run. So we have single run and triple run. So if you need double run, so how you can make a double run object? Remember, make for double run or object, first make a single run object like this is single run, and this is a tool of backtrack repeat. If you will select the object and click on this object, it will create a duplicate copy like this. As I click here, you can see that it's repeated them. Yes, like this. So it automatically converted in double run. And if this is triple run, so if you need six type of running, so you can repeat them by clicking on this backtrack repeat button. So you can see that it's had created. So in this video we will learn about we have learned about single run and triple run and backstitch and stem stitch, and also about backtrack repeat. I mean double run or repeating the values of these all tools. I hope you will like this video. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in next video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for all new updates. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.